Looking for a fund that balances stability with growth? That's exactly what JM Large and Mid Cap Fund aims to offer. But it's an NFO, so what should you watch out for? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what our large and mid-cap funds are about. So, they are equity mutual funds that invest in both large-sized and mid-sized companies. So, what exactly does that mean? These are the top 100 companies by market cap, usually over 50,000 crores, which are large cap companies. So think of them as big stable players like Infosys, HDFC Bank and Reliance. And mid cap companies are ranked from 101 to 250 with market caps ranging between 9,000 to 50,000 crores. So they are smaller but growing fast like potential future giants. So why can you invest in large and mid cap funds? You get a balance like stability from large caps, growth from mid caps and less risk than going only mid cap. So if you're looking for a smoother ride with decent growth, large and mid-cap funds might just be the sweet spot in your portfolio. Now, as we have a basic understanding about what our large and mid-cap funds are about, let us understand a few basic details about this NFO. So as an NFO, it opens on 4 July 2025 and closes on 18 July 2025. And some of the key features of the NFO are, this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity large and mid-cap, and also it follows the benchmark index of Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 TRI, and it has an exit load of 1% if you choose to redeem it within 180 days, and there is no entry load, and the minimum investment amount is 1000 rupees. The fund managers for this fund are Mr. Asit Bhandarkar, Ms. Ruchi Fusdar and Mr. Deepak Gupta, and according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. And also the primary investment objective of this fund is to provide the investors with long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related instruments of large and mid-cap companies. So now, as we have a basic understanding about this fund, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the pros and cons of investing in the JM Large and Mid-Cap Fund. So let's start with the pros. Why should you consider it? Number one, balanced growth plus stability. So large caps bring in the consistency while mid caps offer high return potential. Number two, diversified portfolio by design. Exposure to 100 plus companies across sectors and sizes, built in diversification. Number three, ideal for core portfolio. Not too risky, not too dull. It fits right in the center of your long-term investment plan. Number four, active management opportunities. The fund manager can adjust weights based on the market trends, adding flexibility. Now let us take a look at the cons. What should you watch out for? Number one, no performance history yet. So as an NFO, you have no past data to judge how well it's managed. Number two, execution risk. A good strategy needs great execution, and that depends on how well the fund house delivers. Number three, mid-cap volatility. Mid-caps can swing wildly, especially during market corrections. And number four, fund house reputation matters. In an NFO, you're betting more on the AMC's credibility than the fund itself. So these are the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this NFO. Now, what is the final takeaway from this analysis? A large and mid-cap fund can offer a smart balance, but if it's an NFO, take a step back and evaluate the fund house and make sure it fits your goals. And when in doubt, you can talk to a certified financial planner. And our personal recommendation is that you can choose existing mutual funds that have track record for minimum of 7 to 10 years, where you can analyze how it has performed in the highs and lows and be able to take a calculated risk, because without proper portfolio, track record and research, investment in this NFO is risky because it will be like taking a blind risk. So if you do want to invest in a large and mid-cap fund, there are existing funds, mutual funds, which are with a track record. So you can choose to invest in it. And even when I'm saying about track record, you need to look at track record of at least 7 to 10 years, so that the fund has gone through across all market cycles and performed. So that would be easier for you to analyze. And also, this is not suitable to add to your core portfolio because as an NFO, you don't know how it's going to perform, and if it underperforms, it will definitely impact the overall returns of your entire investment portfolio. So it's better if you do not add it to your core portfolios, because this is meant to be a supplementary holding. Suppose if you just want to invest in it just to see how it's going to perform and you do have surplus cash, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio with a minimum investment amount as a trial, at an experimental basis. Then over the years, if you think it's performing well, you can invest and increase the amount accordingly. And also consult with your financial planner, because they will look into the suitability of the fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, and allocation before, and help you guide to invest in funds that will help your long term growth and help you achieve your financial goals.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.